What is a sentient being? What falls under this category? Sentient being means, beings who have mind. Any being, any being, not necessarily human being. Human being is a being, no? And also, animal is also a being. Bird is a being. Fish is a being, and they could be very, very minute, small beings also who has a consciousness. Anybody who has a consciousness is a sentient being. We have senses, we have a mind, a consciousness. So, a sentient being. Some people ask whether plants are sentient beings or not. They are living things, living beings, but we don't know exactly. Maybe they are sentient beings also, or maybe there are some sentient beings also that I can't say exactly. But anybody, anyone, anything who has this consciousness is a sentient being. It is not necessary that they have to have all the faculties, that we as a sentient being, human beings, we have all the faculties. We have eyes to see, and we can see, we can hear, we can smell, we can taste, we can feel, but there are sentient beings maybe who doesn't have all those senses, but anybody who can have a consciousness, then that is a sentient being. And from Buddhist point of view, any sentient being, anybody, any sentient being can be reborn into any other forms, like an animal can be reborn as a human being can be born as animal being, animal being can be born as a heavenly being can be born into a hell being, all different kind of, we can, that's why sometimes these beings are called Roa, which means like a wanderer. We continuously wander different realms, different places, different lives, and different life forms and things like that. It's not necessary that we have to be born into a different life form. It can be the same one also. I can be human being this time, I can be human being next time, and next time, next time. Or I can be a male this time, next time I can be a female human being, or this time I can be Asian, and next time I can be European, next time I can be African, next time I can be Australian, whatever. There's no restriction. There's no one thing. It's all same because of that. It's we are different, but we can be a little bit different, but same also. That's the sentient being. So when we say sentient being, it's a very vast, anything, anybody who has consciousness is a sentient being.